those days, there were giants, mighty men of renown. When the sons of God looked upon the daughters of men, they took for themselves whomever they chose, and their offspring were the Nephilim. They taught men sorcery, bloodshed, the forging of weapons, and all the earth was filled with violence. From the scrolls of Enoch, from the fragments of the Book of Giants, comes the story of rebellion, corruption, and judgment. The Watchers fell, their sons ruled, and mankind cried out for deliverance. The sons of the fallen before the flood.